Hello and welcome to a new Tech Tuesday video. In this video, I want to refresh your memory a little bit about Google Drive and ways that you can organize and kind of make your drive a little bit easier for you. Some tips and tricks I have. As you can see, my Google Drive has many folders and many pieces of data in here and PDFs, sites, so many different things. But for my way of working, what I really prefer doing is making folders and organizing them. A lot of the time I organize them by the year and what is in there. So to make a folder, you would just click New and then make a new folder. Sometimes you might even need to upload a folder from your computer, but just make a new folder and then you can drag and drop all your documents in there. But let's say you have folders in here, but you kind of want to organize them a little bit better. You can easily rename your folder. If you just click these three dots right here, you can rename your folder to make it easier. If you do it by the year, then Google Drive automatically puts it in order by the year for you. You can even share these folders. But right here is what I really like, is I like the organized piece. I can add it to starred, and what that means is it's going to be starred and one of my folders right there. So if I star anything, I could just go to starred. So the things I use the most, I could just start right there. Or let's say, as you can see, that I have some that are different colors. I use different colors for different things. Let's say that I'm working on anything AI related. Well, if I have an AI related folder and I want to kind of have all my AI folders the same color, I can go over here to organize and I can choose a color. And now all my AI folders, you see the word AI, are now going to be pink. So I can easily look and see where my pink folders are. And those are AI. That might mean that I might need to make some changes to some other folders and change the colors on them. So let's make this one green. This one as well. Okay, but you can go in and you can completely organize your Google Drive that way. I did want to let you know a couple of other things in the Google Drive as well. Number one, you have this place called Workspaces, where you can get back to files you're currently working on and you can create workspaces. So if I'm working on files or docs, I can just add all these files in here. And if I'm working on something specific, I can have this as a workspace. It's easier to keep track of everything. You can view your activity. What have you done? Here is where you can go in and view your computers and all the files that you have had on all your computers that you have backed up into Google Drive. Here is your recent. I did want to let you know on the shared with me and the shared drives, I would not spend a lot of time in there researching and trying to clean it up because it is like the kind of like the warehouse at the end of Indiana Jones, Raiders of the Lost Ark, where there's so much stuff in there and you can't really tell what it all is. So I would just leave the shared with me alone, as well as the shared drives. Don't go in there and try to organize it. I would really suggest organizing your drive, though, so that it's easier for you to find what you need. You can also search for what you would like based on the type, who created it, when you may have modified it, or even the source, which a lot of these would be just Google Drive documents. You also have the ability right here to do an advanced search. So you can choose the type. Let's say I'm looking for a presentation, and let's say it's owned by me and it has the words AI in it, and it can be anywhere, and I've modified it anytime, and I can just click search. And now here are all the documents I have in my computer, in my Google Drive that have the words AI in it. So that's just an easy way to get a little bit of a search done. Now, I also wanted to show you some neat shortcuts in case you had not heard about these before. Let's say that you want to create a new document. All you gotta do is go up to the top and type .new. And now it creates me an untitled document. You can do the same thing with slides.new. And sheets.new. And so if you just need to get to a quick document, you can open any tab and type this in, and you get a new spreadsheet, a new presentation, or a new Google Doc. And this is really handy when you're in the middle of doing something. You just need to pull up a quick document or a quick presentation to get something done without having to go into Drive and go to Docs or just do something like that. So this is just something to make it a little bit easier for you as well. And remember, in Google Drive, you could always pull any documents that are not in folders into a folder quickly by clicking and dragging it. So if I wanted to move one of my documents here and did not want to highlight all those, I would just click it, I would drag it, and I would drop it into one of these here. So let's say I want to drop it into choice boards. Now that is in this folder here. And if I click on it, I can now see the would you rather is there. Again, it's just as easy to go into something and then click on File, and then you would be able to move it wherever you would like by organizing it. Okay, so if you have any questions, or if you want any help with figuring out again how to color code, create folders, organize, just please reach out. I'm always here to help.